Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore the relationship between Python dictionaries and hash tables. We will learn what a hash table is, how it works, and why Python dictionaries are considered an example of a hash table. Additionally, we will provide code examples to illustrate these concepts. A hash table is a data structure that allows you to store and retrieve values based on a unique key. It is also known as a dictionary, map, or associative array in other programming languages. Hash tables offer efficient data retrieval because they use a hash function to map keys to indices in an array, making it possible to access values in constant time, on average. Here's a brief overview of how a hash table works. Python dictionaries are a built-in data structure that implements the hash table concept. They are used to store key-value pairs, where each key is unique. Python dictionaries are highly efficient for data retrieval because they use a hash function to map keys to values. Here are some key characteristics of Python dictionaries as hash tables. Under the hood, Python dictionaries use a combination of techniques to efficiently implement hash tables. Hash function: Python uses a hash function to convert keys into hash values, which are integers. The hash function is designed to produce unique hash values for distinct keys. Hash table array: Python dictionaries use an array, called a bucket, to store the key value pairs. The length of this array is typically larger than the number of items stored to minimize collisions. Collision handling: collisions occur when two different keys produce the same hash value. Python uses techniques like open addressing and linked lists, for Python 3.6 and later, to handle collisions. Load factor: dictionaries have a load factor, which determines when they should be resized. When the number of items in the dictionary exceeds a certain threshold, the dictionary is resized to maintain efficiency. Now, let's look at some code examples to demonstrate Python dictionaries as hash tables. Python dictionaries handle collisions automatically. In this tutorial, we've explored the concept of hash tables and how Python dictionaries exemplify this concept. We've discussed hash functions, efficient data retrieval, and collision handling, and provided code examples to illustrate these concepts. Python dictionaries are a powerful tool for mapping keys to values and are a prime example of a hash table in action. ChatGPT